Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. I'm here with a brand new signal, and today's signal is going to be on AUDUSD, a really popular currency. So without any more time to waste, let's head to the calendar and see what we have. Let's go. Okay, now that we're on our calendar, what I currently understand from this is that currently now buyers are stronger than the sellers. And with all the negative grading that this currency has taken for its future, or it's better to say next week, even with all of this negative grading, our trade is going to be a buy trade because I have noticed a weakness in its price and I actually expect a correction to the upside that is going to happen shortly. And currently, as you can see, this news is now happening, which is going to have a positive impact on its price. But as you all know, news are not enough and I don't believe in them. So let's head to the chart and see what we have. Let's go. Okay, now that we are on the chart, as you can see, as always, I have pre-drawn some zones for you. This green zone is both our trading zone and a support zone for our price, because there was an imbalance before in this price that is actually filled now, and the price is actually going to have a bullish momentum, which is going to help it to move to the upside. And this red zone is because that we have two equal highs above here and they have a lot of liquidity, and at the same time they have a lot of power of resistance below them. So we're only gonna set our TPs between these two levels and we can't go further anymore, because if the price reaches this level or even close to it, it's going to actually keep going to the downside again, because it already has a bearish trend that I assume that is going to end in a short period of time, but not now. This trade is going to help us get the pullback, which is going to happen. And as always, what I want from you is to sit back, enjoy the music, so I can make this pretty for you guys. Enjoy. Okay guys, now that we have this beautiful signal, I hope you have enjoyed it. Have a good time and peace.